Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We had FINNEAS here with the song called Lotus Eater. We had FINNEAS recently here on Growing Guitar with Sweet Cherries and different songs before that. Lotus Eater, so it goes in that food theme here with cherries and eating and all that good stuff. Anyway, let's go into this one. And we are doing this clean, no needed for any capo here on the fretboard. And we have just 5 different chords here. Very easy to handle. Actually, 4, even 4, yes. So that is great. Let's go into this and start with the chords. We have the D first, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have G next, so that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is B minor. And that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret and you bar 5 strings from bottom up. That means all strings except for the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so D, G, A, and B minor. Let's go into the strumming here now. And if you have the G chord, for instance, it's easier to illustrate with a G that covers all strings. So grab that one, and one string around goes like this. Okay, so it's basically 2 down ups, down up, down up. So the first down up, you play a bit more in the bass mid area, and then when you come to the second down or the final down, you try to go down on the higher strings and up on the bass again. So you want to emphasize that second and last down. Okay, so that is how you do it. You can also replace that second and last down with a clap instead, and that is more focused on the beats, okay? So it would sound like this. Okay, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, like that. All right, so it's up to you. I'm gonna show you the tutorial with 2 down ups, all right? So it's up to you to choose there. Now we're ready for the actual song. Let's go into the first verse. So you're gonna play D, 4 string rounds, then G, 4 string rounds, A, 4 string rounds, and back to G, 4 string rounds. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds here in the first verse. So D, G, A, G, 4 string rounds per chord, like this. G, A, and G, D, That was 2 rounds, and that's what you're gonna play in the first verse. Over now to the first pre-chorus, and that is the lyrics which starts, and did you figure me out, all right? Now you're gonna play and continue, of course, the same strumming. You're gonna play D4, B minor 4, A4, and G4. So you just replace the first G with a B minor and play the same there for 1 chord progression round only, like this. And now you are into the first chorus. Grab my wrist, that is the lyrics part, not what I want you to do. Anyway, let's go into that part, and that is very familiar for us. You're gonna play exact in the same way as you play the verse. So 4 string rounds per chord, D, G, A, G. For 1, chord progression around. We can do that together again. Let's go. Yes. And we have fulfilled one round of the song. The second verse is playing exact same way. The only difference here is you're just gonna play for one chord progression round of the D, G, A, and G. Into the second pre-chorus, now you're gonna play it for 2 rounds instead of 1. So D, B minor, A, G for 2 rounds. And the second chorus, you're gonna play for 1 chord progression round in the same way as the first one. Then after this second chorus, you're gonna jump back to the third pre-chorus. So you jump back 1 step there and play that part, the D, B minor, A, G for 1 round. After this third pre-chorus, we're gonna hit the bridge part. It happens about 2 minutes and 23 seconds into the song. And you're gonna play in the exact same way as the choruses or the verse. So chorus or verse play for 2 chord progression rounds. Okay, so after this bridge part, we're gonna play the final part of the song. That is to play another pre-chorus play for 2 chord progression rounds, the D, B minor, A, G. 2 rounds of that, and then a chorus play for 1 round, the D, G, A, G. After that, you're gonna finish off this song, just stay on the D chord and play 16 full rounds of this down, up strumming. 16 rounds of that, and that is what ends this song from FINNEAS called Lotus Eater. So nice song from him as always, and if you appreciate him or this channel, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Thank you so much guys, and until next time, play tuned.